In order to facilitate the experience of using Google Classroom with students, I invited teachers to join my Google Classroom first as a student. You get the class code for your Google Classroom once you've set it up in the bottom left-hand corner here. I then went and had my teachers log in and join their first class. I entered the class code and pressed join. They were prompted to either join the classroom or start the tour. Since I'm basically giving you the tour today, we're going to opt out of the tour. This allowed teachers to be students and to have other teachers as classmates. I used the classroom in order to post assignments and to offer professional development resources for teachers to collaborate, share, and review at their own convenience. The first practice professional development assignment I put up was our slides presentation that walks the teachers through some of the process of going to the one-on-one iPad program that we began this year. Using the Google Classroom, I was able to post slides, and teachers could collaborate on these presentations, just as I had students do in the past. Using this model where students collaborate and build together, I began the process of this professional development program. I gave the teachers assignments, and I especially enjoyed being able to look and see the revision history on an assignment, and to be able to comment on an assignment. If you go and you pick a piece of the assignment, you can highlight that piece, press comments, and you can comment specifically to that piece. This looks great. You can post the comment, and the student in real time can see what you've written. In that way, you can collaborate on a paper together. You can also see which students have completed the assignment and which students still need to complete the assignment. If you want, you can remind a student that they still need to complete this assignment. If you want to grade an assignment, you can go to the top of the assignment and you can choose the number of points that you want the assignment to be out of. At this time, you're limited in your choices, but it's much easier and quicker than with the traditional paper format, where papers can get lost, it's hard for some students to remember to turn them in or when they've turned them in. This makes the process quite seamless for both the teacher and the student. Now, once an assignment is returned, like here, you can also send comments, and the student will get the assignment in their email box, and they will have their grade, their comments, and their assignment. If a student submits an assignment and still wants to make changes, they can change it and resubmit it if you haven't yet returned it to them. I also liked the ability to make announcements. With announcements, I don't have to put a date when the announcement will be, by when the announcement needs to be done. As you can see here, there's no calendar date like there is for assignments. But it's a way to further communicate with students and let them know that there's something that needs their attention. For example, when I wanted them to try to set up calendars for each of their classrooms, it was helpful to link a calendar, Google Calendar directions. We also have linked other interactive work examples, such as these best practice ideas that my students used Google Drawing to do last year. Previously, students would have to write in different colors and